Alright, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a payment using eCheck. To be clear, this tutorial can be applied to both the Grassroots Harvest website and the GRH Kratom site. Alright, let's get started. So step one is to fill your shopping cart with whatever you'd like to purchase. I've already filled mine out, and I have some gummies in here, a 1500 milligram tincture, and a Recover topical serum. Once you've selected the items you want to purchase, we're just going to scroll down here and proceed to check out. Okay, so now we're here at the checkout page. Scroll down a little bit. So the next step would be to fill out the billing details. You're going to put your name, your address, phone number, email address. You can continue to scroll down here. You get like a summary of your order. Make sure that that's correct. And if you continue to scroll down here, you can see that we are approaching our payment options. And today we're going to do an eCheck. To make a purchase using eCheck, you need to provide your routing number and your account number. A routing number is always going to be 9 digits, so we could do something like this, for an example. Your account number is usually somewhere between 10 to 12 digits, so you can go ahead and fill that out as well. Once you have that and you can verify that it is correct, you're going to scroll down a little bit further, check the necessary boxes, and you can hit place order once this is all complete. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. Go ahead and follow our email list and social media accounts for some more information. And thanks for watching.